Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are fine. Yesterday we did very well. The whole day we managed to get something. I'm so happy. I see comments, people they boomed, which is what I always want. So, guys, today introducing the second strategy. Today is a bonus day. It's December. Even you are not working today, you're going to get bonus. I'm going to give you bonuses for today, for December. Even if you're not working, you're not having a boss who's going to give you a bonus, today you are getting the bonus from these strategies that I've showed you guys. This is one of the strategies ever that you'll never see on any predator or anyone. So now I'm combining two strategies, the one that we use and this one for the colors. I always promised you guys there's a day where I'm going to show you the colors, what the colors mean in UK49. So today, guys, we're going to fight with the colors and the other strategy. Yesterday, if I can check all these numbers, I don't know. When I checked lunchtime, these numbers that came there. When I checked tea time, the numbers they came. You know, this was something else. I'm so impressed. Very, very impressed. I'll fight UK49 until the sun comes down. I'm not scared of them. Now I'm back in action and forever. I'm going to fight for you guys, for UK49, until they close the draw, if it's possible. Okay, so what we're going to do here, guys, I'm going to teach you this little thing. We're going back to primary now, but don't worry, it's part of mathematics, because mathematics starts from grade 1 to grade 12, matrix. So let me say this. You see these colors, I'm going to explain. We've got the primary color there, we've got the secondary color, we've got the tertiary color. So it's PST. This strategy is called PST. Let me just write it down. PST strategy. So it's going to be PSTT, just to make it the abbreviation easy, because I know some people get lost. Okay, so guys, you see green is a primary color, red is a primary color, yellow is a primary color. I hope I'm making sense now. So green is a primary, red is a primary color, yellow is a primary color. Now orange is a secondary color, because we mix what? Red and yellow, we get orange, which is a secondary color. So now I want you to understand why I'm showing you this. I'll let you know. I'll tell you why I want you to understand the colors. Brown is a secondary color. We mix when we want to get brown, we mix orange and green, we get brown. That's why you see sometimes if there's a green ball inside and then there's a orange, there's a green ball, there's an orange ball, the bonus comes as a brown ball, because it's a combination of two colors that will bring the bonus ball as a brown ball. And then purple is a tertiary color, because it's mixture of red, brown. It's red and brown. It will bring us what? A purple color, which is a tertiary color. So if you see a red inside and a brown there and a blue, it's a mixture of three colors. You know that the bonus ball is going to be what? The tertiary color, which is purple. So these colors are so important, so important, especially in tracking the bonus balls from the bankers that you have. I hope you guys are understanding. Okay, for example, for instance, I'm going to say the bonus ball for yesterday lunchtime was 12. So we're going to go to the line of the browns. We add up all those numbers. I'll show you why I'm saying you guys have to add up everything there. So from those, because the bonus ball was 12, it means we're going to say 5 plus 12 plus 19 plus 26 plus 33 plus 40 plus 47. So as you can see, 12 was the bonus yesterday. So what we're going to, we add up everything there. We're going to get 182. The answer is 182. So when you get 182, you must always know that as long as you have seen that the number says 182, now you have to know the presenter. If it's Tony, it's going to multiply by 49 to get what? It's going to multiply by 49 to get the correct answers, which is 2438. So now the range of our bonuses is 38, which is 24, 43, 38, and 8. 8 is dropping today. Is, I don't know, inside of bonus 8, 9, that consecutive number must drop today. So this is some other sense that I wanted to share with you guys, especially in terms of the bonuses, because if it got deep into the analysis, the video will be 50 minutes and people won't watch it. So now I hope you guys are understanding why I'm saying when I do strategies like this, I write down in the book so that you will check the video, then you open your book, you check, oh, coach talked about the tertiary colors and secondary colors. What was the meaning of that? You're trying to understand now. Because you see, when it comes to Ghost Lotto 749, there's only one color, which is red, which is what? A primary color. They don't mix colors, those guys, they don't have bonuses. But if you check Powerball, South African Powerball, you'll see that they're colors. If you check SA Lotto, you'll see that they're colors. There's a reason why. There's a color, then there's a bonus ball. But this, we'll keep it for another day. Let's stick to what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so guys, now this is our today's predictions for UK Fortnite. So let's move now. So the first code today is 117. As you can see, 117. So what you're going to do from that code, be careful guys here, because I want you guys to hit 4 numbers correct. We're going to say 1 plus 17. It will give us an 18. So now the 18 that we have seen from that side of the colors, because Tony is very smart, this number is an odd, is an even number. I mean, an even number is a number that you divide by 2, does not give you a remainder. So here is an 18. I'm going to say 18 divided by 2. It will give me a 9, proper 9. So 9 is a sure number, 100%. There's no like spinning or what. It's going to be a 9. And then our banker is 17. 17 is the banker, and then 9 must come inside. So I don't know if 9 is going to go to the bonus ball or it's going to go outside. And then either way, if it doesn't hit the 9, he has to hit the 18. So by the 18, Tony is very smart. 18 is an odd number. He's going to multiply it by 2, and then it gives us a 36. I don't know when last did we get a 36. So it can be 1736 or something, 1736, 179, 1718. You see things like that. And then watch the space again here from that code, because I need to go deeper. 117. 1 minus 17, it gives me 16. A 16 can be spin up into a 19. And then a 16 is, today the problem is the numbers are evens. Even number is a number like 10, 20, 30, 16, number that we can divide by 2 and then you can get a number. So we cannot multiply and say times 2. It will give us a 32, which can be another highest number that can hit because it's still hot. It's still sitting on hot numbers. But then, as long as you've got the banker, you will bank 16, 17, 19. Because you're knowing that, and then now you'll start mixing your lower numbers with the higher numbers like 17, 30, 17, 19, 17, 8. Because if they divide this number by 2, it will give us an 8. Definitely, it gives us an 8. I hope you guys, you're understanding and you are catching up. Okay, I'm going to the second code now. This code is not yet exhausted. It was from yesterday. So it's gonna be like 13 plus 1. It gives us a 14. A 14 which can be spin up into 41. 13 minus 1, it gives us a 12, which can be spin up into 21. So there's a high chance of a 21 to land today. 21 from that. But if you see there's a twin, like for example there's an 11 is a twin, but 11 has dropped before earlier on and 33 has dropped. So times 4 I mean, it will give us a 44. Definitely 44 has to drop. On the bonuses, the numbers that I multiply by 2, must make sure that you play them on the bonuses. And then into this, just place a set of bankers, not to confuse guys. And then 11. Also here you have an 18, you have a 9, you have a 25. But I have a 25 somewhere. Just some beef. I do have a 25, yes. And then there's 27 as well. And this 31 is gonna give us a mess up, I'm telling you. This 31, But what I recommend you guys to do, remember, if a code is 11, sorry, for example, if a code is 117, so the banker is 17, because I cannot use the 34, already 34 dropped, because I would say times 2 it will give me 34, but 34 has dropped, which means we're going to stick on this. 17 is an odd number. If you divide by 2, it will give us an 8.5, which we're not interested in, so we're going to take that. We just split as a 7-11 if you decide to split, but Tony does not split. Tony just hit the number if it's like that, depending on if they change and say it's Joshen or Harriet, then we get it. But anyway guys, this is what it is. You guys study the video, and please guys keep on subscribing. Today is another day. I'm telling you, you're going to win. There's no way that you cannot win. Everyone needs to win. You guys need to eat money from UK Fortnite. They've been eating us. Every day we play, we lose, you know. But now it's a revenge time. I've got let me see. Let's not talk so much. Let's just stick to the numbers, okay? They must just feel that fire. So yeah guys, you see, it's still Black Friday. You get the book on half. That's it, because everyone needs to have the book before. You know, this Christmas we sit indoors, we do numbers, we don't drink beer. Please, we take that money for beer, we buy voucher. January, we know that we are covered with school fees, we're covered with uniforms, we have no problems. I'm not saying we must not party, but please, let's party after boom. Thank you very much.